أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is apiphobia? Fear of bees. Apiphobia means the fear of bees. E is the international call registration letter of which country? In Spain, the alphabet E is used for international call registration letter. Who is the father of modern botany? Linnaeus is the father of modern botany. Apiculture is related to which of the following terms? Bee farming. Apiculture means bee farming. Which one of the following endocrine gland is situated in the neck? Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is situated in the neck. Capital of Canada. Capital of Canada is Ottawa. Sound waves are the types of waves. Types of waves. Sound waves are longitudinal types of waves. Nearest galaxy to our Milky Way is Andromeda. The nearest galaxy to our Milky Way is Andromeda. In eye donation, which part of the eye used? In eye donation, the part of eye is cornea is donated to other person. Frog heart has how many chambers? Chamber. Frog heart has 3 chambers. Winter solstice means longest night. The longest night at the winter solstice. What is the world warmest sea? Red Sea is the world warmest sea. For water purification we use chlorine is used for water purification. Nail polish remover contains nail polish remover contains the acetone. What is the capital of Poland country? Warsaw is the capital of Poland. When did British conquer the Sindh? 1843. British arms conquered the Sindh in subcontinent. Where the Cunningham Clock Tower is situated? Pakistan. Cunningham Clock Tower is situated in Peshawar, Pakistan. Which element hardens the tooth enamel? Calcium hardens the tooth enamel. The undigested food stored in the liver in the form of carbohydrate is called undigested food stored in the liver in the form of glycogen. Natural fruit of Pakistan in winter is guava is the natural fruit of Pakistan in winter. Which of the following fiber is considered as the strongest natural fiber? Silk. Silk is considered as the strongest natural fiber. What does the word amphibian means? That animal which has 2 parts of life, one is in the water and the other is on the lands. Which country fought on both sides during the World War II? It Italy is the only one country which fought on both sides in World War II. Medicine, which is the most widespread parasitic infection. Malaria. Malaria. The national motto of Pakistan is unity, discipline, Iman, Ithad, Nazam is the national motto of Pakistan. Thank you very much.